Hi, this is Shobha Sapamaski. Now I am going to discuss the drama Macbeth written by William Shakespeare. Regarding the dramatist William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare was born in the year 1564 to a successful middle class glowmaker. He went to grammar school but he was not able to attend the formal education. In the year 1582, he married an older woman, Anne Hathaway. Around 1590, he left his family and children and he had come to London in order to become an actor as well as a playwright. Shakespeare comes under the reign of Queen Elizabeth as well as James I. When James I was the King of England, he was very much influenced and impressed by Shakespeare's dramas and he had granted a number of grants to that Globe Theatre. Later, Shakespeare had become the co-partner of that Globe Theatre. In the year 1616, when he was just 52 years old, he returned to Stratford and he died here. Regarding Shakespeare, Shakespeare is one of the world's great dramatists. He had written 37 dramas, 154 sonnets and 2 poems. Some of his world-famous dramas are King Lear, Othello, Macbeth, Hamlet, Julius Caesar and Romeo and Juliet. Though Shakespeare had written during 16th century, even still now his dramas are relevant here. He is genius because he had written both tragedies as well as comedies in an equal number here. So now let us come to the drama Macbeth. Regarding the drama Macbeth, we come across some major characters like Duncan, who was the King of Scotland, Macbeth, the Army General of the Scotland, Banquo, the Army General of Scotland, Lady Macbeth, who was the wife of Macbeth. Duncan had 2 sons. One is Malcolm, another one is Donalbain. Fleance, who was the son of Banquo, and some other characters we are going to come across in this drama here. Now let us begin the drama here. The play begins with the brief appearance of the trio of witches and then moves to a military camp where the Duncan king hears the news that his 2 army generals, one the Macbeth, another one is Banquo, had defeated the two invading enemies. One is from Ireland, another one is from Norway. The king becomes very happy that his 2 army generals had defeated the 2 invading enemies here. And here, Macbeth as well as Banquo, the 2 army generals, after defeating those enemies, they are on the way to their place. In the middle, these 2 army generals, Macbeth as well as Banquo, encountered the 3 witches here. And those 3 witches started to tell the prophecy to the Macbeth as well as Banquo here. One of the witches said to Macbeth that within you reach the palace, within you meet the king is going to announce the great title that is the Thane of Cawdor. In our country, how Bharata Ratna, the highest civilian award, is going to be given. Similarly, in Scotland, during those days, the Thane of Cawdor was going to be given. So now, one of the witches said to Macbeth that within you reach your place, the king is going to announce or honor you by the title that is the Thane of Cawdor. And the second witches said that Macbeth, next you are going to become the king of Scotland. And the third witches said that Banquo, after Macbeth, you too is going to become the king of Scotland. And those 3 witches disappeared. And now both Macbeth as well as Banquo are on the way to their place. So within the reach, the king's person, the king's man, comes and tells the Macbeth that just now the king had announced, declared the Thane of Cawdor for him. And now Macbeth will get a confidence. He started to believe the witch's prophecy slowly. Then the Macbeth writes a letter to his Lady Macbeth that the witches had appeared and they had told the prophecy and one had come true. When Macbeth and Banquo, when they got back to the place, they were warmly welcomed by the And whereas this Lady Macbeth, who was the wife of Macbeth, was very ambitious, over ambitious. And then one day, both Lady Macbeth as well as Macbeth both plan and invite the Scotland King Duncan to their castle for the dinner. As per the schedule, Duncan, along with his two chamberlains, he comes to the Macbeth's castle. At night, after having a dinner, Macbeth arranged the room for the Duncans to get a sleep, in order to have a sleep. At that time, Duncan, after having a dinner, he slept. Whereas here, Macbeth and Lady Macbeth planned in such a way that they made those two chamberlains, two security guards who were with king, to drink more and more. And those two chamberlains, after having drunk more, they fell unconscious. At midnight, Lady Macbeth forced Macbeth to go and kill the Duncan. In the beginning, Macbeth hesitated, but at last he entered into the room of Duncan and stabbed with the dagger and finally killed the Scotland King, that is Duncan. After killing him, once again got back to his place. By next morning, those two chamberlains, when they become conscious, they were very much shocked by seeing the murder of King Duncan. And here, Macbeth and his wife, everyone comes over there. Macbeth won't give much time. He blames on the chamberlains that it is because of you, after having a drinking more, you have killed our beloved king. Then the Macbeth immediately kills both chamberlains, and then the Macbeth becomes the king of Scotland. Whereas here, the Duncan had two sons. One is Malcolm, another one is Donald Banier. These two sons, they will come to know that their father, Duncan, had been murdered by someone else. So, in order to save their lives, they fled. One, they fled to England and one to France. And here the Macduff, who was the nobleman of Scotland, he opposed Macbeth to become the king in the earlier. But somehow Macbeth becomes the king of Scotland. And now Macbeth, though after being the king of Scotland, he won't sit quiet. He started to remember or recall the prophecy, the witch's prophecy, that after me, Banquo is going to become the king. So now he thought of killing Banquo also. So again, he organized and invited Banquo to the party here, dinner party here. So he hired some murderers to kill Banquo here. At this moment, when Banquo was coming along with his son Fleance, those hired murderers, they killed Banquo, but whereas Fleance was able to escape from that place here. And now Macbeth is not so happy because Fleance was able to escape from that place. And in the court, when meetings were going to take place, Macbeth was not behaving properly here. So a Banquo ghost used to appear in front of him. At that time, this situation was neatly handled by his wife, Lady Macbeth. And now Macbeth, once again, he meets the witches and asks the future prophecy. The witches tells that you are going to die by one person. You will be killed by one person. That is, who had come from the mother's womb directly. Nothing but cesarean. Okay. And you will be having a death where you will be killed by that person who will come from the mother's womb directly, and that too in Dunsnane forest. And now the king, Macbeth, he feels that I am little secure. But later he comes to know that one man is there who had taken birth directly from the mother's womb. And now he starts searching for that. And he comes to know that it is Macduff. And he planned to kill Macduff here. Here Macduff, after knowing this, he too fled to England and joined the hands of Malcolm. And there Malcolm was able to raise the army. So here, after knowing this, Macbeth, he kills the Macduff wife, children and everything. And there Macduff becomes very much angry angry, furious over Macbeth. And even the noblemen of Scotland, are very much fed up with the Macbeth's tyranny here. Then the Malcolm, who was in England, he was able to raise the army, and there he declared the war against Macbeth. And here the Macbeth, his wife had a disease. Lady Macbeth had a disease. The disease is sleepwalking here. She had a disease of sleepwalking. At night, while having a sleepwalk, she was stabbed by something else and she died. The Macbeth king, after hearing this, he becomes totally collapsed. And now a war had been declared between Malcolm, that army, as well as Macbeth here. But still, Macbeth, he went for the war here. At that time, this Macbeth, after seeing Macduff, he was psychologically collapsed, because that man had come here, who had born from the mother's womb directly. And the Dunstan forest, the Biran woods from the Dunstan forest had been brought over there. And now the war takes place. In that war, Macbeth was killed by Macduff. As per the witch's prophecy, everything takes place. Macduff killed Macbeth, and now once again, Malcolm, the Duncan's king, the Duncan's son Malcolm, was restored to the throne here. And now Malcolm becomes the king of Scotland. And after becoming the king, he welcomes everyone. When he was sitting on the throne, when he was going to take the seat, he invited everyone. This is the drama Macbeth here. So in this drama, overall drama, it is because of the Macbeth's over-ambitious. So he falls down here. This is the drama Macbeth.